let's get over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, and representing for the all-wheel drive Honda boys, that's right, it's me and my 620 brake horsepower, 2-litre inline-4 turbo-powered Honda Integra DC5 Type R, built by Auto Talk and tuned by Romain at Racecal. So, modifications include a fully built CSS K20A2 engine, Supertech valve springs and Skunk 2 valves, a Speed Factory Sidewinder manifold and Pulsar T51R GTX 3582R turbo, a big external custom fuel system, a fly-by-wire conversion, a complete custom all-wheel drive conversion with full wagon running gear, insane 1000 horsepower drive shafts, a Quaife sequential gearbox and fully built billet drag cartel transfer box. The car is mapped by Romain from Racecal on a Cyvex S7 ECU. So the car's running on 808 RS semi-slick street tyres all round and is estimated to weigh in at around 1270 kg with the additional turbo kit and all-wheel drive conversion, giving it a power to weight ratio of 488 brake horsepower per tonne. The car drives all 4 of its wheels via its 5-speed Quaife sequential gearbox. And next up, representing for the Subaru fanboys, it's Harry piloting his killer 705 brake horsepower, 2.35 litre flat-4 Hawkeye Subaru Impreza WRX STI, built and tuned by Engine Tuner. Modifications include a fully built EJ22 2.35 litre stroker engine, a Borg-Warner EFR 9180 turbo kit, a Walton Motorsport front mount exhaust manifold and 3.5-inch exhaust system, a Medina 6-speed sequential gearbox, and is mapped on a Cyvex S6 Plus ECU by Martin at Engine Tuner. So the Scooby's running on AR1 semi-slick street tyres all round and is estimated by Harry to weigh in at 1400 kg, giving it a power to weight ratio of 503 brake horsepower per tonne. The car drives all 4 of its wheels via its 6-speed Medina sequential gearbox. And last, but certainly not least, introducing Mark, representing for the Mitsubishi fanboys, with his 650 brake horsepower, 2.2 litre inline-4 powered Mitsubishi EVO 8 MR, built by Wayne Hodgson and tuned by DRW Performance. So, modifications on this bad boy include a 2.2 litre fully forged engine, a Precision 55-58 Big Runner turbo kit, a 50mm external wastegate, an AMS inlet manifold, a HKS fuel rail and 1000cc injectors, a S90 throttle body, Tomei pong cams, an RS rear differential and 5-speed gearbox conversion, and is mapped on a Link G4 Plus ECU by the lads at DRW Performance. The car's running on R888 semi-slick street tyres all round and is estimated by Mark to weigh in at around 1380 kg, giving him a power to weight ratio of 471 brake horsepower per tonne. The Evo drives all 4 of its wheels via its H-pattern manual 5-speed gearbox. Next up is the drag races, and I'm now well and truly in uncharted territory. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah.